So, can't even get you in it, Steve. There we go. You're that little. What are we at tonight, Steve?
The end of the world.
The end of the world, yeah, we're at the end of the world. Yeah. We couldn't actually get into the park because the queue's massive, as you can see. There's a massive amount of people.
Leaving again.
Yeah, leaving because it's just completely packed at this place. There's fireworks happening up there. So yeah, we've just had to stand on this. We've just had to stand on this part of the street so we can see the fireworks up there. What do you think?
Yeah, well, the higher ones.
The higher ones,
quite nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite nice, I guess. A bit annoying that we've got large trees in our way, but
yeah, these lovely trees, but
I prefer having a tree in my way than 1,000 people.
Yeah, because we would have just got squashed by people if we went there. Even getting on the tube train up here was terrible. Yeah, this is Steve and I's firework night. Have you been seen fireworks while you've been in London or not?
Not in London yet, no.
Not in London. It's your first time while you've been in London.
It's actually my very first Guy Fawkes night as well, I think.
Really? So this is Steve's first Guy Fawkes night. Not seeing it too well. He's not seeing the whole aspect of making the fake Guy Fawkes and then putting it on the bonfire, which is something that normally happens. They probably can't even hear us me saying this, but have you seen that happen before or not?
Well, not this version. You've got like similar smaller festivals in Germany as well, where you've got bonfires and maybe fireworks as well. So I've seen the thing itself happen before, but not on Guy Fawkes night. Yeah. As I was just saying, I've seen similar things before. In Germany, we've got similar festivals. But then it's normally more about burning witches, so it's not exactly the same thing. But we've had bonfires where little stick men are burnt on nights like this as well. Yeah, but I do like the fireworks. We can't see them very much, but they seem to be quite high quality actually.
Everyone stood behind us now. Yeah, this is the best place to see the fireworks from at the moment, without getting squashed. This is also my first time going to a fireworks night in London, because I went to once when I was a kid and saw Guy Fawkes and stuff, but I haven't seen this before, like fireworks in London. I lived in London for 3 years, but I haven't gone to see fireworks on Bonfire Night. These are alright fireworks. What do you think of the fireworks, Steve?
Well, I'm not used to them being, as I said, this high quality, so I do enjoy them. I think they're quite nice, yeah.
Loser. This is also a free fireworks night, so I was thinking it was going to be quite crappy, but it's actually alright fireworks. Even if we are watching it from here, it's still alright.
We can see a lot, actually.
And then after this, we're going to see V for Vendetta, which is great for this day of the year.